5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hello, my friends. I'm really glad to see you. Today we're going to make a map. We're going to start with a sketch paper, and I'm going to put my name on it in the left corner, and then over in the right corner, I'm going to put my grade level and the first letter of my teacher's last name. We're going to make a practice drawing on the back of the paper so our name can be on this side. Please write the word map at the top of your paper, and then over on the left side, I want you to write the word key, K-E-Y. Now I've drawn a symbol here. Who can guess what this symbol is supposed to show? That's right, it's mountains. So this is how people would know that when they're looking at my map, they're looking at mountains. Next, I'm doing a river. Next, I'm doing a lake. I'm going to put some waves in that lake. Then I'm going to make some trees. That's what my trees will look like on the map. Your trees don't have to look like mine. And then I'm going to make a road. So that my road doesn't look like my river, I'm going to put some lines down the middle of it. And one more thing, I'm going to put an X, because if I want to make a treasure map, I need to show people that X marks the spot of where my treasure is. You can make that X any way that you want, and when it's time to color it, you can color it any color that you want. On my key, I have drawn 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 things. And on your final map, you're going to need to make at least 5 different things. I'm flipping my paper over, and the first thing I need to do on my practice map is to make a key. So I'm going to draw a rectangle in the corner. You can put your key anywhere on your map that you like, and at the top, it would be a good idea if you wrote practice map. This is a sketch, and we're going to use it to look at when we make our final map. Above the box for the key, I'm going to write the word key. In my key, I need to put all of the things that are going to be on my map. I can decide what those things will be, and your things don't have to be the same as mine. My first one is mountains. If you want to copy this one, you can. The next thing I'm going to draw is a river, trees, a road, and then a building. I decided to make my building look like a house, but your building can look like any kind of building that you like. On my map, I started with a house. I put the house above the key. Remember that if you choose to make a building, it doesn't have to be a house. It can be a castle or something else. Here you can see I've added some more details. I'm adding a palm tree right now that's next to my ocean. I also have some mountains at the top and a castle. And then I'm going to connect the road from my house to my castle. To make sure it looks like a road, I'm putting lines down the middle. And then I'm going to make a road from the castle to the beach, and also a road from the castle to the mountains. I decided to also add a road from the beach up to the top of the paper. I want roads to connect all of the things that I think are important. You don't have to do this. You can do rivers, you can do sidewalks, you can do any kinds of things that you want in your map. I'm adding some more things to my map because I want to make sure and fill all of the space. I'm putting some trees here at the bottom, and I might even put some more trees in some other places. I also put some trees up by the house and made some mountains up at the top and some more mountains above the house. But then I thought that space up at the top is kind of empty, so I added a lake there, which is just a flat circle with some waves in it. And when I put that on my final map, I'll make sure and color that blue so people can tell that it's a lake. Also, I wanted to put a boat in my lake, so I drew a little boat there. I'm filling in some more details on my map, and what I want you to do is make a map for yourself. Your map can be anything that you like. It can be like the map that I just made, or you can make your map of anything else you like. You could make a treasure map. You could make a map of your house. You could make a map of your neighborhood. Here's a treasure map that I made. I was having so much fun making maps that I made some more. Here's a map that I started with a castle and a house and another lake. And here is a map that's going to be a treasure map that I haven't quite finished yet, but I think it's got some really neat stuff, and I started with the key. I hope you have fun making your practice map and be ready to make your final map next week. Thanks for watching. Now go make something.